Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. So this video is Mardi Gras inspired. So I used a little bit of yellow, a little bit of purple, and a little bit of green to just celebrate Mardi Gras. So if you like the look and you would like to see how I accomplish this look, just please keep on watching. So for concealer today, I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. And I haven't used anything this light in a long time, but since I am going for more brighter colors, I wanted to give it lighter base. So I'm going to go ahead and start to blend this in. And it's okay if you look crazy because you won't look like that for long, sis. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with just some regular tape, and I want this look to be pretty sharp, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape a piece of this tape right here. And I'm going to do the other side as well. I'm going to go into this purple shade right here. I'm going to start packing that on. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a brush that doesn't have anything on it. And I'm going to go ahead and start smoking that out. I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm just going to start popping some yellow up there. Now I'm going to take this NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Back into my Zulu palette, and I'm going to get this color right here. And then I'm going to go back in with the same crease brush, and I'm going to kind of incorporate the purple into the green just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the finished eye look. I added some cute little lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's bring you in. I added some cute little lashes to this look. These are the AOA lashes, and I believe these are in the style Alexis. And I'll go ahead and leave the link below, that way you can get your own set of AOA lashes. They're only $1, so I mean, and they're super cute, so you really can't go wrong. Okay, so moving on to my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Okay, if you ever use the Baby Lips chapstick, like, it makes your lips feel so soft. Just imagine that on your face. Like, my face, ugh. It makes my face feel so soft. It's not sticky. It's not, which I usually like my primers to be sticky, just because I feel like the product is actually like sticking to my face. It's not sticky. It's very smooth. It's very buttery, and it makes your skin feel really soft. That's why I really do like this primer. If it was sticky, if it had a little bit of tackiness to it, this would be like hands down my favorite primer. But this is such a great primer and it makes your skin feel so good. Okay, so my skin is a little bit different. I have a little bit of, I don't know if you would call it like depigmentation, because it's not hyper pigmentation because it's lighter, but I have it around here near this side and then right here in my chin area. So I'm actively trying to figure out what I can do to help it look better with foundation, because some foundations that are not full coverage foundation won't cover it up and you can kind of see it peeking through a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to use my LA Pro Girl concealer. It's in the color Chestnut. I'm going to see if I put this on here first and blend that out and then put foundation on top of that, if it'll be a little bit better. So this might be trial and error, but something's got to give, sis. So I'm going to put a little bit of that right here, and this concealer is the closest to my skin tone. It's a little bit more yellow than I am, but it is definitely the closest concealer that I have to my skin tone. Then I'm going to put some wherever I see a little bit of those light spots. So I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and I'm just going to tap it in lightly. And I'm not tapping it in to blend it all the way out. I'm just tapping it in to get that concealer in there. As you can see, it's peeking through, so you've got to imagine like what it does with foundation. I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever foundation, and this foundation is so full coverage, you guys. Like, this is one of the most full coverage foundations that I have, so I really do enjoy using this foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use a e.l.f. brush. I'm not quite sure which brush this is, but me and this brush have been best friends for like 2 years now, and it's definitely one of my favorite foundation applicators. So I'm going to go ahead and stipple that onto my face. And just look at the coverage. Like, the coverage is so good, guys. It's so good. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and this is in Chestnut as well. And then on top of that, I'm going to put the tiniest bit of ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 44. I'm literally just putting a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start blending this in. And I'm going to do under my eyes last, just to give it a little bit of time to actually set. So for setting powder today, I'm going to be using the Chalk Dust setting powder. So for contour, I'm going to go ahead and use my Black Radiance contour palette, and this is in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going to go ahead and start contouring my face. I'm going to go back into that same setting powder, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my contour. I'm going to go ahead and start wiping all of this powder off my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye area. I'm going to go ahead and take this purple shade again. Now we can go ahead and move on to highlighter since my face is all done. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the MAC highlighter, and this is in the shade Oh Darling. Ooh, how pretty. MAC, 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 MAC. Hello. Yes, MAC. Let's get a little bit of chin action. A little Cupid's bow. Yes. A little bit on my nose. And a little bit on my forehead. Not too much because I don't look crazy. But just a little bit on the forehead. Ugh. Look at that. Look at that highlight. Ugh. So for lips, what do I want to do for lips? I kind of want to do a nice purple lip. Let's see what I got here. I got like some dark purple colors and a few light purple colors. Ooh. So I have these 4 options. This looks more blue, but it is blue. Okay. So I have these options. I'm thinking about going with this one and then this one. That's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So for my first lip shade, I'm going to be using Amethyst. And I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much line my lips with that. I'm gonna put a little bit of Sway inside of that. So for a setting spray, I'm gonna be using this MAC Fix Plus. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also make sure to leave me a comment down below. Make sure you guys also subscribe to my channel. We are almost 1.1K, so I'm really excited. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Also, after you subscribe, please make sure you hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye.